and thank you all for coming. The Constitution states in Article 1, Section 8, quote, "The Congress shall have power to," and then it lists several specific powers, including to regulate commerce among the several states, close quote. The Federal Endangered Species Act and other environmental laws are within Congress's power under the Commerce Clause. But suppose the federal government lists for protection under the Endangered Species Act a species like the Delta smelt that swims only in the waters of one state, meaning that it does not swim interstate, nor is it bought or sold in commerce. What are the limits of federal power under the Constitution's Commerce Clause? This is the topic of our debaters that they will address at this time. Taking the position, and we're very pleased to have these two individuals, both of whom are very competent, experienced lawyers, and who are really, as I say, fine gentlemen, and we're very pleased that they're here. But taking the position that the federal ESA smelt regulations are unconstitutional is Damian Schiff. Damian is a staff attorney for Pacific Legal Foundation who has worked on a number of cases pertaining to the Endangered Species Act and the Clean Water Act. He was lead attorney in PLF's suit to force the government to remove the bald eagle from the ESA list, to challenge critical habitat designation for the Mexican spotted owl and 15 vernal pool species in California and Oregon. And he is the lead attorney in the suit challenging the constitutionality of the Delta smelt regulations. Damian has authored numerous law review articles on diverse legal subjects. Taking the position that the federal ESA smelt regulations are constitutional is Professor Richard Frank. We call him Rick. Rick joined the UC Berkeley Law School, and I bet you all still think that's called Bolt Hall, but it isn't. It's the UC Berkeley School of Law. Is that right? And in 2006, after 23 years at the California Department of Justice. At the California Department of Justice, Rick served as a deputy AG in the land law section, where he was involved in litigation. He has served as the Chief Assistant Attorney General and the head of the Public Rights Division, and finally as the Chief Deputy Attorney General for Legal Affairs, where he has served as the AG's principal liaison to state government, to the legislature, and to the judiciary. Rick is an expert in environmental law, land use, energy issues, and property rights. He has taught a seminar at UC Berkeley Law School on California environmental issues since 2005 and is currently teaching at the UC Davis Law School. And he too has written numerous law review and legal articles. And we're very pleased to have these two speakers today.